Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Dr. V.D. Jadhav, PG Faculty of Commerce, People's College, Nanded. Today I am going to take lecture on the subject Advanced Accounting Second BCom third year 6th semester students who are learning from Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. Under this subject, I am going to take topic number third, packages accounting. In this topic, question number second. This question has asked in the examination March-April 2019. The Indian Oils Limited sells in barrels which are charged at rupees 70 each. Customers returning barrel within a month are credited with rupees 63 each. The following are the particulars relating to 2018, the first year of company business. Particular number of barrels first transaction, barrels purchased at rupees 42. This is the cost price 3500 number of barrels. Second, barrels sent out to customer, number of barrels 2800. Number third, barrels returned by customer, number of barrels 1750. Number four, barrels with the company on 31st December 2018. Number of barrels 2450. Number 5, barrels with customer on 31st December 2018. Means number 4 and 5 is the closing balance of stock. One is the only for company, second is the company as well as customers. Number of barrels 280. In bracket, given period is not expired. Show the necessary cost in the books of the company. Solution: memorandum in the books of Indian Oil Limited. Memorandum debtors account debit side particular number rate rupees. Same 3 column, sorry 4 column debit side also. Next account, whereas stock account, whereas stock account also same format, debit side credit side particular number rate rupees, particular number rate rupees. Next account, balance trading account. Same format, debit side credit side particular number rate rupees, particular number rate rupees. Now going to solve the answer. First transaction, barrels purchased at rupees 42 each. Barrels is the stock. There is the separate stock account. Hence, debit side purchases. Numbers 3,500. Rate, cost price 42. Amount 1,47,000. Next, barrels sent out to customer. Customer means debtors. Hence debtors account, debit side. To barrel sent. Numbers 2,800. Rate, selling price 63. Amount 1,64,000. 1,76,400. And difference 7 rupees recorded to the trading account credit side as a rental charges by debtors account in bracket rental charges. What is the rental charges? 2,800 into 7. Total rental charges 19,600. Next transaction, barrels returned by customers. If send goes to the debit side, it means return goes to the credit side of the debtors account by barrels returned. How many number of barrels returned? 1,750. Rate 63. Amount 1,10,250. Next, barrels with the company. It means closing stock of the company. Hence, credit side by closing balance. In hand 2,450 at the rate 42. Amount technical problem has generated due to internet problem. Hence, now I am continuing once again. Closing balance. Closing balance in hand. Number of barrels 2,450 at the rate rupees 42. Amount rupees 1,02,900. Next, barrels with customers on 31st December 2018. This one is also closing balance and closing balance under the heading with customers. 280 amount same, sorry, number rate same. 42 amount 11,760. And second effect recorded to the trading account, sorry, debtors account by closing stock or closing balance. 280 into 63 amount 17,640. Then now close debtors account. Debit side total 2,800 numbers. Debit side amount total 1,76,400 numbers total. Numbers total 2030. Credit side amount total 1,27,890. Then generated difference credit side, which shows as sales by barrels retained. Difference is retained means sold. The difference is 770. Rate same 63. Amount 770 into 63, 48,510. Now both sides are tallied. Sales. Second effect goes to the stock account by barrels trading account. Cost of goods sold. Number of barrels sales 770. At the rate cost price 42. Amount rupees 32,340. And another effect goes to the trading account debit side to barrel stock account. In bracket cost of goods sold, number of barrels 770. Due to internet connectivity problem, this is happening. Sorry for this. Trading account debit side to barrel stock account, cost of goods sold, number of barrels 770, rate 42, amount 32,340. And another effect of debtors account, debtors sold at the rate 63, trading account credit side, buy debtors account, number of barrels 770 at the rate 63, amount 48,510. This one is also sale. Now close barrel stock account, debit side number of barrels 3,500, debit side amount total rupees 1,47,000, credit side number of barrels 3,500, credit side total amount rupees 1,47,000. Close this account. Next, barrels trading account. Credit side number of barrels 770, credit side amount 68,110, debit side number of barrels 770, debit side total amount rupees 32,340. That is the difference. 35,000 35,770 is the difference. Now both sides are valid. That is the difference is the net profit. Transfer to the profit and loss account. In bracket net profit. Thank you.